This is the 2015 Ram 2500 Power Wagon Crew Cab 4x4. It has just under 97,000 kilometers on the odometer, and under the hood you have a 6.4 liter Hemi V8 engine putting out 410 horsepower and has 429 pound-feet of torque. Taking a look at the interior of this 2500 Power Wagon, you have power mirrors, which are also power folding, power windows, and power locks. You also have storage along the middle and bottom of the door. Over here you have your power driver seat controls with power lumbar support, and your interior seating is a gray cloth. And we'll take a look at the odometer here. You can see there we have 96,736 kilometers. Over to the left you have your dial for your headlights, as well as a button for your fog lights, and cargo lamp, as well your dimming dial for your gauges. On the left hand side of the steering wheel you have your controls for your display, as well as your Bluetooth audio controls and your audio source controls on the back of the steering wheel there. And on the right hand side you have your cruise controls along with your volume controls on the back of the steering wheel there. In the middle here on your touchscreen display you have your AM FM radio, satellite radio, USB, and auxiliary in. And you do have a backup camera with rear parking sensors. As we move down, you have your climate controls, as well as trailer braking controls, traction control, tow haul button, downhill assist, on and off button for your rear parking sensors. You also have heated driver and passenger seating, as well as a heated steering wheel. Axle controls there, power outlet, your 4x4 controls, power outlet and USB on the right hand side. In the middle here, in your center console, lots of storage, where you'll find your USB port, auxiliary in, and another power outlet. And this also doubles as a bench seat. And up on top you have your moonroof. And as you can see, the interior is in great shape. You also have your Alpine stereo system, auto dimming rear view mirror as well, and a built-in garage door opener, and your control for your rear power sliding window. Taking a closer look at the exterior, you have your tires on 17-inch aftermarket wheels, and we'll take a look at the tire tread there. And this truck is lifted. On the front, you do have a winch. Check out the rear of the vehicle. You do have your window deflectors along the top of the windows, rear privacy glass. Again, your Power Wagon decal on the back. You can also see your rear parking sensors and your trailer tow package. And this truck is equipped with remote keyless entry, as well as OEM remote start. So you can just hit that button twice, and it'll start right up for you. And then to shut it off, you can just hit the button once. And now we'll take a look at the truck bed. Lots of cargo space here in the back. You do have your spray-on liner, various tie-downs on the left and right-hand sides. Cargo lamp up top, as well, again, your rear power sliding window. Taking a look at the rear interior, you have your power windows, with storage along the middle and bottom of the door. Lots of legroom here in the back. You also have storage in the floor on both sides. You also have storage along the back of the passenger and the driver's seat. Down here you have your rear adjustable vents, as well cup holders. As you can see, the rear interior is also in great condition. And in the middle here, fold down console with more cup holders. As well, your rear seat does fold up. Same with the far left side. And this does flip over with plastic legs as a flat surface. And if you want to find out more about this vehicle, you can check us out online at parkmazda.ca. And while you're there, you can fill out a test drive form. Come on down for a test drive, and we'll hook you up with a $25 Visa gift card or 50 Air Miles Reward Miles. Also be sure to check us out on social media at Park Mazda on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.